Here's how to create external links, links from your site to someone else's site. Let's start with this page, a simple unordered list that we would like to change into a list of links. Here's what it looks like in the browser. In order to make text into a link, you use the A element. The A stands for anchor, but in this case, you can think of it as making the text active and clickable. So before this text, which we want to turn into a link, type this element A, href equals, as an attribute, and at the end of the text that you want active, you type the ending A tag. The href in that attribute stands for hypertext reference. In between the quote marks goes the URL that you want to link to. And in this case, it's http://www.oswd.org. When you type in a URL in the browser, you can leave off the http://. But when you're writing a link yourself, you must put it in there. Now let's save the file. And let's go back to the browser, reload it, and you'll see that it shows up as underlined and clickable. Sure enough, when we click it, we go off to the site that we wanted. So that's our first external link. Now let's link up the second item in the list. Again, I type my opening tag, A, href equals, and then I type my closing tag after the text that I want linked. And last, I put in the URL, which is http://www.evc.edu. Save the file, come back to the browser, reload, and test that to see that it works. And sure enough, it does. By building the link in stages, you can be sure that you won't forget a tag or a quotation mark somewhere. This is especially important if you have a really long URL, such as the one in this last link. Again, I'm going to type the opening tag, href equals, and my closing tag, and then I'm going to put in a long URL. And you can see now why I didn't try to type that all in one shot. I save the file, come back to the browser, reload, and let's check to see if it works. And sure enough, I had it right. And that's how you link from your site to someone else's site, with the ever popular A href equals opening tag.